surrounded by a trash. It is a sad fact that people usually do not feel guilty about littering in areas where garbage is already scattered around. Many people think that it is the right to litter as it is the duty of sweepers to keep the area clean. Some people think that they stay for a short while and it does not matter what condition they leave the place in. Others feel too lazy to walk up to a trash can to deposit rubbish in it. Many people argue that there is already so much rubbish on our streets that one more shopping bag or juice bottle would really make no difference at all. Trash that is left around us attracts germs, flies, mosquitoes, and insects. Rotten fruits and decaying foodstuffs emit poisonous gases and bad smell, which are extremely harmful for our health. But worst of all, it gives the entire area an untidy look. Littering shows that people lack civic sense and have little interest in preserving their environment. The truth is that if we make a little effort to dispose of garbage, our surroundings will be clean and safe.